Budgeting is an essential aspect of managing your finances and achieving your financial goals. Whether you're saving for a big purchase, paying off debt, or just trying to make ends meet, having a budget in place can help you stay on track. In this video, we'll be covering everything you need to know to create a budget that works for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the AI Bala. First, let's talk about the importance of budgeting. A budget is a plan that helps you manage your money by outlining your income and expenses. By creating a budget, you can see where your money is going and make adjustments as needed to reach your financial goals. To start creating your budget, you'll need to gather information about your income and expenses. Your income includes things like your salary, any bonuses or commissions, and any other sources of income. Expenses include things like rent or mortgage payments, car payments, insurance, utilities, and other bills. It's important to be as detailed as possible when listing out your expenses, because the more detailed you are, the more accurate your budget will be. This means looking at every little expense, from your morning coffee to your monthly streaming subscriptions. Once you have this information, you can start creating your budget. One popular method for creating a budget is the 50/30/20 rule. This rule states that 50% of your income should go towards necessities, 30% should go towards wants, and 20% should go towards savings or paying off debt. Necessities include things like housing, transportation, food, and insurance. Wants include things like shopping, dining out, and entertainment. It's important to remember that everyone's financial situation is different, so you may need to adjust these percentages to fit your specific needs. For example, if you have a lot of debt to pay off, you may want to allocate more of your income towards paying off debt and less towards wants. Once you've allocated your income into these categories, you can start looking for ways to cut expenses. For example, if you find that you're spending too much on dining out, you may want to consider cooking at home more often. Another way to cut expenses is to look for cheaper alternatives for the things you already buy. For example, instead of buying brand name products, you can opt for store brands which are often cheaper. Another important aspect of budgeting is setting financial goals. These goals can be short-term, such as saving for a vacation, or long-term, such as saving for retirement. Setting goals can help you stay motivated and on track with your budget. When setting goals, make sure they are smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This will help you to stay focused on what you want to achieve and give you a clear idea of when you want to achieve it. To help you keep track of your budget, consider using a budgeting app or spreadsheet. These tools can help you see where your money is going and make adjustments as needed. There are many budgeting apps available for free, such as Mint, Pocket Guard, and Wally, that can help you track your income and expenses, set financial goals, and create a budget. It's also important to review your budget regularly to see if you're on track to reach your goals. If you find that you're not, you can make adjustments as needed. Reviewing your budget regularly will help you to stay on top of your finances and make any necessary changes before they become a problem. Budgeting is important for several reasons. A budget helps you understand where your money is going and where you can make adjustments to save money. This can help you avoid overspending and get a better handle on your finances. A budget can help you set financial goals and plan for the future. This can include saving for a down payment on a house, an emergency fund, or retirement. Having a budget can help you stay on track to achieve your financial goals. By creating a budget, you can see where you are overspending and make adjustments before it becomes a problem. This can help you avoid going into debt and can help you pay off existing debt more quickly. A budget can help you feel more financially secure by giving you a better understanding of your finances and helping you plan for the future. This can reduce stress and anxiety related to money. A budget can help you make more informed decisions about how to spend your money. By having a clear understanding of where your money is going, you can make better decisions about how to allocate your funds. Overall, budgeting is a powerful tool that can help you manage your money, plan for the future, and increase your financial security. It's important to regularly review your budget and make adjustments as needed to ensure that it remains relevant and effective. That is all for this video. See you all very soon!